you're gonna need black beans, some canned corn, canned diced tomatoes, and some kidney beans, along with some canned green chilies, a tablespoon of olive oil, some limes that we're gonna juice, a fourth of an onion, and some salt and pepper. You're gonna need a can opener to open all your cans. If you struggle opening cans, there's also these pull tabs that you can find. And then we'll need a lime juicer. If you don't have one of those, you can squeeze the lime with your hands. You'll need a knife to chop your onion, a spatula to mix it all together, your cutting board, and then a big bowl to put all the salsa together, and then a strainer to drain your black beans, your corn, and your kidney beans. So we're gonna drain those right now. Okay, we're gonna rinse and drain all of our beans, both kidney beans, black beans, and our corn. So you're gonna take a strainer, you're gonna dump the beans into it, and then you're just gonna run it with some cold water. It's gonna get a little bubbly. You're just gonna run it until the bubbles are kind of gone and the water comes out clear. There you go, and then you've got your rinsed beans. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use this can opener to open our kidney beans. So you're gonna take this round edge and place it on the corner there, and you're just gonna clamp it down and then just twist it. And just keep going until you get all of it cut. Carefully take out the lid so you don't cut yourself. And then we're ready to rinse them. And then we have these pull tabs in case those are hard to use. So these are super simple, like that. Okay, I've combined our canned corn, our canned kidney beans, our black beans, and our diced tomatoes. We're also going to add our green chilies. And then you're just gonna mix all those up. It's gonna be very colorful. You can add a ton of different substitutions to this. You can use any type of bean that you want. You can use other vegetables, like add avocado, make it a little more creamy. You can add cilantro, green onions, any other options like that. Now we're gonna dice our fourth of an onion. So we're just gonna peel it really quick. Then we're gonna cut off this top end. And then you're gonna hold your knife and grab it, pinch it like this, and then wrap the rest of your hand under it so you're kind of holding it like this. And then you're gonna tuck in your fingers so that you don't cut them, and you're just gonna dice it into strips, or chop it into strips first. And then we'll just go the other way, and we're just gonna do a little dice. Once you have that chopped up, you're just gonna add it to your salsa mixture. And then just stir in the onions. Once you have all of those added, you're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. And then we're going to cut our limes in half. And you're going to place it in your juicer. Squeeze out some of that juice. Probably want about a tablespoon of this, or just however much you desire. Then just mix it. And then just add some salt and pepper to taste. And add any other seasonings you want. And then you can eat this with cooked or raw vegetables. I have some chips here that you can easily dip it with, and you can easily put this in a tortilla. Yeah, and that's how you make the bean salsa.